Here we are again with another fragrance that people say is a BR540 clone. Stick around and get my thoughts on the new Parfums De Marly Cologne.
I finally found what I'm missing, and now you got all my attention. Driving me wild, got me wishing that you were all mine. You're irresistible, so refreshing. You're irresistible, tell the essence. Can feel your energy all over me. Close my eyes and I breathe in. You're irresistible.
Welcome back to Carolina Fragrance Reviews. I'm your host Cam, and today we are going over the new release from Parfums De Marly. Shut it, shut it. I've got him gagged and bound over there. Yeah, because I am going to talk about the new Parfums De Marly. So, Parfums De Marly. Just listen to me. Don't pay any attention to that muffled.
Help! He's got me bound in a chair and can't move!
Primo, shut him up.
Told you. It's the last time I'm telling you. You're getting out of here. One more time. One more time. You're going out of here.
It's nice to have a bouncer on site at all times here at Carolina Fragrance Reviews. Now, let's see if we can actually get to a fragrance review. And we're gonna go over the new release from Parfums De Marly Cologne. It has a bright red bottle that I would say is a nod to the blood orange that is in this fragrance. All their bottles are usually like black or blue with gold tops, silver tops. With the exception, or at least the men's side of things, all have the pretty much the same looking bottles, which are heavy enough to knock somebody out with, by the way. But the red looks really nice. So we actually have a red, white, blue, and black bottles now from Parfums De Marly. Galloway was the only white fragrance. We had numerous black ones, if that matters to you. But let's just get to the meat and potatoes. Is this a BR540 clone? No, it is not. For Pete's sake, it is not a BR540 clone. If it has precious woods, cashmeran, and that stuff, it is going to have that same spicy, woody vibe to it. Even though this opens with the blood orange, I've heard some people say that it has like a citrusy open. Not to my nose. It does not have a citrusy opening. You can smell the orange blossom and the blood orange and everything in there, but it's more of a spicy, woody fragrance that would be geared for fall or winter. It's actually safe enough. I think you probably could wear this fragrance year round, but for what I personally like to wear, I would say fall, winter, and maybe like early spring. But if you did wear this year round, I would suggest like going easy on the trigger on this one, because this one is beastly, and I can only imagine how beastly it is in the full bottle, where you could just like really just go ham. And if you guys have ever seen the Parfums De Marly distribution, this is just a decant, and you can get plenty from that little thing, but the Parfums De Marly bottles are beast mode sprayers, so I would definitely suggest going easy on the trigger on this one. I did myself go a little bit nose blind. I went a little bit ham on this thing, and yeah, not a good idea. Knowing what I know about Parfums De Marly, you should just like kind of go easy and then see how it plays out. Me, Mr. Heavy Sprayer, that does not work for me very well. Okay, since we got these seasons covered, I would say occasions. To me, this is very mass appealing. I say it's gonna be very, very easy to wear, but for me, I mean, yeah, you could t-shirt and blue jean this one all day, but I think it actually would even work with, you know, a night out, date night, you know, that type of fragrance. This one is universal enough, mass appealing enough, you could probably wear it anytime you want to. Let me go over the notes for you. The notes for Cologne are blood orange, black pepper, lavender, spices, solar notes, orange blossom absolute, cashmere woods, moss, white sandalwood, precious woods, roasted tonka beans, and dry amber. The dry down is where the real magic on this fragrance happens. You can smell the cashmere and wood, you can get the sandalwood. The amber is in there, is kind of just like tucked in the backdrop, but I'm telling you, this is really, really good. I am excited about it. My love affair for Cologne, real, and my love affair for Parfums De Marly is real also. Which brings me to today's partner, www.wickedfragrances.com. Enter our discount code CFR10, get 10% off on all Parfums De Marly. Get 10% off on full presentations of Parfums De Marly. Did you hear what I said? Go to www.wickedfragrances.com. Not to be a nudge or anything, but sadly to me wasn't like a real just release. I didn't dislike it. Just for Parfums De Marly, it wasn't like a stunner as far as performance. It was meh on originality. This one, to me, in my personal opinion, actually colors outside the box, which is what I like. It's a nice spicy, woody fragrance with excellent performance. Primo, just like put him to sleep for the rest of the evening so I can at least finish this Parfums De Marly, please. I told you, get over here. Thank you, Primo. Now, I really don't have much else to say other than the cinematographer is knocked out. I should just like sprayed this on him, let him get choked out. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, smash that like button, and we'll see you next time on Carolina Fragrance Reviews.